Facebook Messenger video or audio call not working on iPhone. If both the video calls and audio calls on the Messenger app on iPhone is not working, we can try to do a couple of things. Now it could just be that the Messenger app is lacking the video, which is your camera, and audio, which is your microphone access, so it's not being able to place calls. To solve that, simply open up the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to the Apps section. Here, you want to simply search and look for the Messenger app and tap on it. Here you can see all these options. Maybe the camera and microphone toggle might have been turned off, so you have to turn on this. So if this is turned off, Messenger won't be able to communicate using your camera and microphone. As a result, will not be able to place a video call. So once you've done this, just try to check if the Messenger app has an update as well. So go to your App Store and just search for Messenger, check if the app has an update, and if it does, most likely it will help you solve the problem for you. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.